Get ready for a game-changing approach to predictive and planned maintenance. Powered by DST, Lee Company uses today's advanced technology to help you keep facilities running smoothly and avoid unscheduled downtime. DST's technology uses a self-calibrating ultrasound diagnostic system to gather the information you need to make smart facility decisions. Want quick access to diagnostic information on the current health of your HVAC system? Need documentation validating that all scheduled maintenance work has been performed? Looking for historical data on a piece of equipment?
We take our DST readings on the equipment. It gives us information, trending information and data that actually allows us to predict downtime and predict failures of different components on the equipment.
DST offers access, answers, and analytics. Using sound energy and sound signature sampling, DST delivers real-time data that makes a real difference. How does it work? During a regular facility maintenance inspection, our technician will use the DST technology to safely access a higher level of information in real time. Within seconds, each reading is analyzed through DST's patented processing methods. Within seconds, we can identify what equipment is operating properly and what needs attention.
With the remote DST device, there is no downtime for our customer. We monitor the unit as it is running, and then we can report to the customer what it looks like while it's under load and give a real-time view of what the machine is actually doing.
The safety element that DST technology brings to an organization like ours, with the DST equipment that is sensors on the equipment, those sensors allow us to diagnose equipment and troubleshoot equipment without ever touching that piece of equipment.
You'll know about air, gas, and refrigerant leaks or electrical issues before they become expensive, undetected problems. Using a mobile device, the technician can confirm all inspection was performed, view detailed trend charts, access historical data, and add technician notes or recommendations. Lee Company empowers our technicians with a diagnostic system that best serves you. We give them the tools they need to predict equipment failure and extend equipment life so you can lower total operating costs. Our vision is to partner with you and all our facilities customers to create a 21st century service model, a model that applies today's technology to transform predictive and planned maintenance. Learn more. Visit us at leecompany.com.